virus or a nodule. So important picture of a syphilinum is that you should always remember one point, that syphilinum is a nodule and it is the second intercurrent miasmatic syphilitic miasmatic drug. Means syphilinum, as it is a nodule, so we oftenly indicated syphilinum when the indicated remedy of a syphilitic background is fail in the case. So what shall syphilinum do? So important feature, you should remember that when any indicated remedy is fail, syphilinum act for the progress or the action of the enhance the action of the drug that indicated before. So what is syphilinum? Syphilinum, when indicated remedy is fail, we use syphilinum if the constitutional symptom is correspond. So syphilinum, pain from darkness to daylight. It is an important line, you should remember. Pain from darkness to daylight means all the pain is aggravated at night or from 10 to 11 am. Initially started from 10 to 11. From midnight to daybreak, the pain is prolonged. Ceases at daybreak. That is, pain from darkness to daylight begin in the twilight, end in the daylight. Twilight means dawn or evening, when the sunset occurs. Beginning from sunset and end in the daylight. Like Mercurius phytrum, the reverse is our medorinum. Medorinum is from sunrise to sunset, but syphilinum is the sunset to sunrise. Important, you remember this thing. Then pain increase and decrease gradually, like stanozolid. Many other drug of pain increase and decrease gradually, like, see the picture. Then shifting pain require frequent change of a position. So what is the pain character? That is shifting pain, frequent change. All symptoms are worse at night. This is the important peculiar line you should remember. Many drug, syphilinum is a miasmatic drug. So if you anywhere in the drug, in the clinical, find that the patient all the symptom is aggravated at the night, in the day he sleep well, he eat well, he or she eat well, sleep well, all work done properly, but at night all those complaints aggravated and he cannot do his daily work, then you must think about syphilinum and you take syphilinum as a drug for that person. And if this symptom is, if you find, syphilinum always act, and it is the main peculiar feature of a syphilinum. Then from sundown to sunrise, understand, eruption is, you always remember this line, red to copper color eruption or spot became blue when getting cold. Why this happened? Because when the cold occur, vasoconstriction occurs, so that the blood becomes stasis, which leads to blue color. Now the extreme emaciation in the entire body, there is emaciation, like our apronatum, iodine, our phosphoric acid, phosphoric acid, calcareous also emaciation, ethuja also emaciated drug. You should remember other drug of emaciation, ethuja, acetic acid. Okay, then heart complaint is that heart, you remember in this way, from if this is a heart, okay, this is the apex, this is the base, and here is the clavicle. Okay, if pain radiated from apex to base to apex, then meadow. From here, if reverse occur, then reverse occur meadow. If base to apex, that is our syphilinum. If again upper, then this is our shoulder or clavicle, spigelia. You remember easily. So first you should imagine in your heart that base to apex, downward, that is syphilinum, upward, that is medorinum, again more upward, that is spigelia. Understand? Then loss of memory, cannot remember the name of a book, person or a place. Arithmetical calculation become difficult. Like loss of memory, cannabis, loss of memory, there is anacardium. Similarly, syphilinum, syphilitic background person always have some loss of memory. Okay, now the thing is that sensation, which sensation? Sensation of a pain, that is from sensation of pain as if growing insane or about paralyzed. Apathetic indifference. Okay, so apathetic indifference is the sensation of this is not so important, but you should remember this thing. Now the thing is that terrible dread night account of mental and physical. So you should remember always night aggravation is our symptom. Then exhaustion awakening, which causes awakening. Now the intolerable death is preferable. So that the patient is so exhausted by the disease condition at the night, he or she think that dead is most preferable than this suffering in the disease condition, because at night the disease becomes so painful, so disaster. She makes a sentence that death is more more comfortable than this type of pain. Okay, so that she become indifference, apathetic, become insane. That is the thing. Fear of a terrific suffering from exhaustion or agony. So there will be fear of a suffering, fear of, because at night the pain aggravated, and which causes so much fear that he think that he or she think that I should go for death, I should go for death is more preferable than this suffering. Now the liquoria is that profuse soaking the napkin, running down the hill. You should know another drug of running down the hill is Bovista. Bovista or borax is the running down the hill. Okay, borax is the liquoria profuse. There will be soaking through the napkin. Soaking is our syphilinum, but the running down the hill is borax and syphilinum, both drug having running. Now the headache is something neuralgic headache. Character is neuralgic, causing sleeplessness at night. All things are aggravated at night, commencing at 4 p.m. like also 4 p.m. aggravation, but all complaints are ameliorated all about at 8 p.m. In 10 p.m. he or she become alright. Patient become alright at 10 p.m. But here the worse in 10 to 11, and the siege at daylight, that is 11 or 12 p.m. Okay, that is like a comparison in bracket. Falling of a hair fallings like sepia, chronic headache which result in hair fall. Then ophthalmia neonatal means the conjunctiva, because of infection there will be neonatal in the child, there will be acute infection which results to acute ophthalmia neonatal. Lead becomes swollen and adhere. These things also present in thuja, present in azonitricum. So you should remember, during sleep her lip became swollen. Then pain became intense at night. We know all complaints are aggravated at 2 to 5 p.m. Pause. Why pause release? Because of infection and ambulation by cold bathing. Ptosis means superior oblique muscle paralysis. So that what happened, her eyelid became closed down. That's why sleepy look will be found. Drooping of eyelid will be occur. Like causticum, graphitis, gelsemium, syphilinum. 4 drugs of drooping of eyelid. You should remember, that is gelsemium, causticum, graphitis, and our syphilinum. Then diplopia, one image so other, like oromate also diplopia condition is present. Hemipia, half vision, oromate, and diplopia is syphilinum. Tooth decay at the edge of the gum and breaks up. Remember these things. Mercurius also having the tooth decay at the root tooth decay. Then mercurius edge tooth decay, that is syphilinum. Thuja also crown is intact, but root is decay. That things also present in thuja majorinum. You should compare thuja majorinum and our this drug, that is syphilinum and mercurius. 4 drug about tooth decay. Now the craving for alcoholism in any form, like sulfuric acid, asarum, tuberculinum, soranum. These are the craving for alcohol, that is hereditary tendency for alcoholism. Here is you see this is the drug of asaram, sulfuric acid, sulfur. Okay, now the constipation, obstinate constipation for years. Rectum seems tied up or stricture, like rectum is tied up rectum, fissure of anus, that is lactanum, lac deformatum. Also there will be rectum become due to the labor like pain, lacanum, tuberculum and lac deformatum. 3 drugs about rectum labor like pain, that is obstinate cases. There will be syphilitic history, rheumatism of the shoulder joint at insertion of a deltoid, aggravation by rising in the arm. If right occur, then Rostock's. In left occur sanguinaria. Pheromet is also left shoulder. Pheromet, sanguinaria is right. Pheromet is left. Rostock's is both. Okay. Then when paste selected, this line is important. This line is important. You should always write in any syphilitic drug. If question asks in the therapeutic, this line you should mark and always write. This line is important. This line is important. Now the thing is that lastly, if any person skin or trouble of a skin suffering or throat, if any local means suppression occur or canker occur, if syphilitic background occur, then unless other remedy is clearly indicated, we can try syphilitic at a high dose. Now the relationship aurum, asarum, Caliard, Morco, Phytolacca, bone disease, syphilitic absence, at night aggravation from 2 light to 8. Like asafoetida, aurumate, diplopia, asafoetida, alcohol craving, Caliard, joint pain, Moxol, Mog as syphilitic background, Phytolacca, night aggravation. This line, night aggravation also found in Phytolacca. Thank you.